Welcome to Prompt Pulse. In this video, we'll introduce 10 AI tools that are guaranteed to save you over 10 hours every single week, helping you work smarter in 2026. The reality is, repetitive tasks are consuming your daily productivity. Imagine gaining back 10+ hours every week by automating writing, emails, research, and design tasks. AI is your superpower. The right tools eliminate busy work, freeing up your time to focus on high-impact projects. They help you reclaim hours weekly, multiply your productivity, and produce premium output with less effort. Let's meet the tools. Our first tool is ChatGPT by OpenAI. It's excellent for writing, brainstorming, and analyzing via chat. It replaces hours of tedious work and is best for drafting emails, blogs, scripts, and complex research. It saves you 3 to 4 hours a week. Tool number 2 is Claude by Anthropic. Claude offers deep analysis and handles extremely long documents without losing context. It's ideal for legal documents, academic papers, and deep research, saving you 2 to 3 hours every week. Perplexity AI, tool number 3, is an AI-powered search engine that provides real-time, cited answers. It replaces hours of Googling and is excellent for market research, fact-checking, and content research, saving 2 to 3 hours a week. Next, we have Midjourney, our number 4 tool for AI image generation. It generates stunning images from text prompts, eliminating the need for expensive photo shoots or hours of design work. Use it for thumbnails, social media, and branding, saving 1 to 2 hours per week. ElevenLabs is tool number 5, specializing in AI voice and audio. It generates ultra-realistic voiceovers in 30+ languages in under 60 seconds. This is great for YouTube, podcasts, audiobooks, and e-learning content, saving 2 to 3 hours weekly. Tool number 6 is Notion AI, embedding intelligence into your workspace. It summarizes, drafts, organizes, and searches your notes, turning scattered information into actionable docs. It saves 1 to 2 hours weekly, great for team wikis and project tracking. Zapier AI, tool number 7, provides no-code automation, connecting thousands of apps and running workflows automatically. This eliminates manual, repetitive tasks. It saves a significant 3 to 5 hours a week, perfect for auto-responses and CRM updates. Canva AI, tool number 8, is an AI design platform where Magic Design creates branded graphics from a single prompt. Non-designers can create professional visuals quickly. Use it for social media, presentations, and marketing, saving 1 to 2 hours per week. Otter.ai, our 9th tool, is an AI meeting assistant that records, transcribes, and summarizes meetings in real time. Stop wasting time on manual notes, as it auto-generates summaries and action items. It saves 1 to 2 hours weekly, especially helpful for virtual calls and interviews. Finally, we have Runway ML, tool number 10 for AI video generation. It generates and edits video from text, removes backgrounds, and tracks objects. It skips hours of manual editing, saving you 2 to 4 hours a week, great for video content like YouTube Shorts and ads. Here is a quick recap of all 10 tools, showing their primary functions and estimated weekly time savings. This table helps you see which tool aligns best with your biggest time sinks. Use this comparison matrix to determine which tool is best for your specific needs across key areas like writing, research, design, voice, and automation. Let's dive into some pro tips for maximizing ChatGPT's power. Use Act as an expert prompts for better output, chain prompts in sequence for complex tasks, and save custom instructions to maintain a consistent brand voice. Also, use GPT-4o for tasks combining images and text. For Claude, you can feed entire documents up to 200,000 tokens for full context. Ask Claude to cite sources when analyzing PDFs for accuracy, and use the Projects feature to maintain consistent context across different sessions. Claude is great for legal, medical, and technical document review. To get the most out of Perplexity, use the focus mode options like academic, YouTube, Reddit, or news to narrow your search. Ask follow-up questions within the same thread to refine your results, and consider enabling Pro for deeper analysis and image generation. Remember to export your research as shareable pages. When using Midjourney, use the AR 16:9 aspect ratio for YouTube thumbnails. Add descriptive terms like cinematic, hyperrealistic, and 8K to enhance image quality. Use the "blend" command to merge multiple images together, and try very subtle to refine outputs without regenerating entirely new images. Maximize ElevenLabs' power by cloning your own voice for authentic AI narration. Use voice design to craft unique AI personas and adjust stability and similarity settings for natural voice variations. You can download audio as MP3 and sync it to your Runway ML videos. Unlock Notion AI's capabilities. Use AI to instantly summarize meeting notes and create automated content calendars. You can also ask AI to extract action items from any document, and build team wikis where AI fills in the missing content. For Zapier AI, you can build a full Zap automation in plain English without needing code. Automatically connect applications like Gmail, Notion, and Slack. Use AI steps to add intelligence directly into your workflows and set up monitoring and auto responses for customer inquiries 24/7. Leverage Canva AI with Magic Design. Simply upload a logo to instantly get a full brand kit. Use text to image to create custom visuals in about 10 seconds, and the Magic Eraser to remove objects from photos instantly. Use the brand kit to ensure consistency across all your content. With Otter.ai, add the bot to Zoom to join meetings automatically. Export your meeting summaries directly to Notion or Slack. Use the AI chat feature to ask questions about past meetings and create highlight reels from long recordings easily. Get the most from Runway ML. Gen 3 Alpha creates 10-second cinematic video clips from text. You can remove backgrounds from video with a single click and use Motion Brush to animate specific parts of images. Combine it with ElevenLabs voiceovers for complete AI-generated videos. For freelancers, an optimal stack includes ChatGPT for proposals and drafts, Midjourney for portfolio visuals, Canva AI for marketing materials, and Zapier AI for automated invoicing and client follow-ups. Content creators can build a full AI pipeline, starting with ChatGPT for script ideas, followed by ElevenLabs for voiceover, Midjourney for visuals, Runway ML for video editing, and Canva AI for the final thumbnail. Achieve a complete YouTube video from idea to upload in under 2 hours. Business owners can automate their entire operations. Save hours on customer support, marketing content, team coordination, lead generation, and visual branding by integrating tools like ChatGPT, Zapier AI, Claude, Notion AI, Midjourney, and Canva AI. This stack can save over 19 hours weekly across these key areas. Students can study smarter, not harder. Use Perplexity AI for cited research, Claude for summarizing textbooks, ChatGPT for outlining essays and practice exams, and Otter.ai to record and transcribe lectures. Notion AI helps organize notes and create study schedules. Let's look at the free versus paid options. Most tools offer a valuable free tier to get you started. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, ElevenLabs, Notion AI, Zapier AI, Canva AI, and Otter.ai all have great free offerings. Only Midjourney requires a paid plan to start, but is highly recommended. Looking at the big picture of time savings, by using an efficient stack of AI tools, you can realistically achieve a combined time saving of over 24 hours every single week. Ready to start saving time in 30 minutes? First, pick one tool that addresses your biggest time drain. Second, sign up for the free tier. Third, complete one real task this week using the tool. Fourth, track your time saved. Finally, add one more tool each week until you're unstoppable. Avoid common beginner mistakes. Don't use vague prompts. Be specific, including the role, task, format, and context. Don't use one tool for all tasks, and always review AI output before publishing. Always start with free tiers, and iterate on your prompts for better results. Here's the perfect AI prompt formula. Assign a role, define the task, specify the format, and provide the context. This simple equation leads to 10 times better AI output every time. What's coming next in AI for 2026? We anticipate AI agents running entire workflows autonomously, multimodal AI handling all media types together, and real-time AI collaboration between human and machine teams. Expect hyper-personalized AI assistants and no-code AI app builders. Others are already making the switch. A freelance writer cut project time from 8 hours to 90 minutes. A marketing manager automated 15 weekly tasks, reclaiming an entire workday. A YouTuber now completes full weekly videos in 3 hours, down from over 12. These results are achievable for you. To start your journey, focus on the Beginner Starter Pack, ChatGPT for writing and research, Canva AI for instantly creating graphics, and Zapier AI for automating your repetitive tasks. Master these 3 tools first. For the ultimate productivity stack, organize your tools into layers. Use the thinking layer for analysis, the creation layer for content generation, the organization layer for structure, and the automation layer for efficiency. Today, you learned that 10 powerful AI tools can save you over 10 hours weekly. Remember to match the tool to the task. Most tools are free to start, and the right AI stack replaces hours of manual work. Your action step is to pick one tool and use it this week. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Prompt Pulse for new videos every week, covering AI tools, automation hacks, and practical tutorials. Never miss a productivity hack. Follow us at Prompt Pulse or visit promptpulse.io.